My name's Charlie. I'm the environmental manager at this Hartlepool Segment Factory. So this is a factory that produces concrete lining for tunnels, and my job is to do that in as environmentally friendly way as possible. My day involves checking in with my team, seeing what they're going to be doing for the day, maybe doing some sampling with them, or checking around site to making sure that all our control measures are in place. It's really nice that the construction industry, people working in it, their attitudes have changed to the environment. And now we've got to the point where everything basic that is good for protecting the environment is in place. That's day to day for people. Now it's the stuff that improves the environment and really reduces our impact. We have a very ambitious aim to be carbon neutral by 2040, and innovation is going to play a huge part in that, and that's going to involve using less material to do the same thing, using innovative materials whilst using less energy, water, and reducing our impact. My vision for the future is a world where we fully transition to a low carbon economy with hugely more efficient reuse and recycling of materials, so nothing is wasted.
Progress starts with you.